What's up YouTube, back here again with another video, and today the mail came and I got some pretty cool thing came in the mail. Now this is the SpeedyBee Bluetooth USB adapter, and if you know anything about SpeedyBee, you know they came out with a app on the phone, and they had a little Bluetooth dongle that you could put onto your flight controllers. Now, cool feature, but who wants to be buying Bluetooth dongles for each of your things, and then Bluetooth has a signal in it? I just wasn't really sold on the Bluetooth thing, because what's the stuff you could do in OSD, fixing the OSD anyway? So then I seen that they came out with a flight controller that already had it inside of it, which was also pretty cool, but again, limits you to one quad for one product. The other thing was, if you had an Android phone and you had an OTG adapter, I have a Samsung S8 and I tried it out and it does work, and I tried it out on a tablet that I have, it did work. You could basically plug the fat end of the, the larger end of the USB into your phone with the adapter, and then the micro USB gets plugged into your flight controller, and you can interact with the app, which has pretty much all the functionality of Betaflight. You can change all the stuff you need to change in the field. So therein lies this product, the Bluetooth USB adapter. So now what this is going to be able to do, it's going to give you Bluetooth, so you don't need the USB cable. You power this guy up, you stick it in your flight controller through the USB that's right here, and guess what? You can change settings on your quadcopter. So I thought that was kind of cool. Alright, cool. I didn't know that they gave me the XT60 already in the package, so that's kind of cool. They should have just soldered it to it. I don't know why they didn't. And a piece of heat shrink. So that's what we get. There you go. Now this is supposed to take... Alright, so that's kind of the setup. I already have the app. Alright, yeah, 3 to 6S LiPo power. So any battery with an XT60 that you have, you're pretty much going to be able to use. LED1, indicator, USB. Alright, we will test all this stuff out. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just show you, I'll just solder to it, we'll look at it, and then we're going to do the test in the field. I'll record, I'm going to do it while I'm out there, like you would use it, and what it was for. Because at home, you're probably just going to use your phone, right? Or I'm sorry, your computer. Alright, so we got these nice, we'll put these in here, solder these on. This looks like your Bluetooth antenna right here. You got the USB connector off the front. So basically, we're just going to solder this up, put the heat shrink on, and we should be good to go. Let me do that real quick, and we will check back in 1 second. Okay, so here we are with this all set up. To be honest, I don't know why they just don't do this and give it to you out of the box like this. Maybe there's something I'm missing. Maybe, I don't know. Why wouldn't they just do that? They give you all the stuff. Why wouldn't they just do it? Compatible with this, serial driver, connection USB, constantly online connected, successfully with FC, indicator green, constantly connected system with the app. So, yeah, I don't know why they wouldn't just give it to you all said and done. So, let's just do a little check, and again, we'll do the final say-so in the field. So, we'll plug this in. This is getting 4S power. There we go. Alright, so you get the blue. That means everything is functioning. I can see my flight controller is on. So now we would be able to go to the app and figure that out. So, alright. Next time you'll see me, we'll be out in the field giving this guy a test, trying to change a setting. There we go. Alright, so we're out here in the field, and I'm sitting here in my car, and we got my quad, we got the app, and we got the adapter. So this is what you're going to do. You're just going to power the baby up, and we got our signal, or a power signal there. And we're going to go ahead and plug it into the drone. Alright. So now we got Bluetooth signal. Now this is the Android app, and because the Android has the ability to go USB, if you plug this in with the adapter and the USB, you would click that, but we're going to click Bluetooth because we obviously have the Bluetooth adapter, nothing plugged in. And pretty right away, pretty quick, it comes up. And we are in. Now, once you're fully connected, you're gonna get 3 lights. So you got all 3, red, blue, green, or it means we're all good to go, obviously, because the app is running, so we know we're good to go. And the SpeedyBee app is pretty full-featured as far as, you know, being able to change everything. I mean, you could do a lot of stuff in OSD, but you can't. You can activate and deactivate stuff on your OSD, but I know you can't really move it around. So right here, you can start activating stuff and moving things around your OSD screen. This is mine, how it's set up. We'll exit that. You got VTX. I don't know this. Let's see. Well, that's kind of cool. I didn't. So this is. I do have smart audio connected on this guy here. So I guess we can change. If it was plugged in, we'd be able to change that stuff from here as well, which is kind of cool. Oh, that was CLI. Oh, that must be a CLI command down there, the VTX. That must kind of do it through the CLI on here, but all right, so you get the point. It works very well. So now we can connect to all the quads and anything you have with Betaflight.
Does it work?
There you go. You got it.
It works. He's like, quit fucking my video. Dumb son of a bitch.
You already did fuck with it.
Get the correlations in there.
I had to restart.
You had to restart.
And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.